After 12 years, this car is finally getting a makeover. Today, it's being cleaned, as you likely saw in the title and thumbnail. As you know, Jordito Company came to us back then to clean our Lambo. That was already 2 years ago. I'm really looking forward to it. This car is going to look brand new soon. All the scratches will be removed, everything will be super sleek again, and I can't wait to see this car shine in all its glory. Because on camera it might look pretty nice, but actually it's quite shocking. Who's ready for a cold start? This thing sounds awesome when cold. Okay, we've been driving on the highway for a while now, so that means the engine is nice and warm, the oil temperature is nice and warm, and what do you do then? 5, 4, 3... Whoa, and back? This thing, you know, this V8 compared to that V10. Every time I drive this thing, I just get such a big smile on my face. Okay guys, we've arrived at Tom from your detail company. There's Tom, you already know him from the Lambo detailing job. That thing was really actually just as bad as this. Honestly, or was it worse? Which one was worse? The Lambo?
No, this one is worse, this one is worse.
Even though that one caught fire, you know?
Yeah, but that one was really nicely painted by press.
Okay.
I think this one was outside for a few years.
You can see that, right? Have you already seen any spots where you think, oh, that's going to be hard to restore to its original state?
No, it actually looks pretty good except for some stone chips, but other than that, it looks fine.
Yeah, one thing the previous owner did is he glued his license plate on, so we can't take off the rear license plates. So he sealed it on, and I really wonder, why? Why would you even seal a license plate onto a car in the first place? And at the front, we were able to get it off. And that's a point of criticism, because we're never going to be able to get this back to how it was. The paint is on it, of course, so this should actually be sprayed. It can't get worse than this, so we're in the right place, guys.
It's still an old car and we're going to...
Stop it, Tom. It's a Ferrari. Listen to it. It's still an old car.
Yeah, but it's quite a bit older, right? It's getting on in years.
That's true indeed. It's from 2003, so that means this car is actually already 21 years old.
Yeah, bizarre.
Bizarre. And we just brought it back to life.
We're also going to redo the paint job here.
So that's it. I saw something on the left here with the orange peel effect, and I thought, okay, this can't be original anymore. Look, okay, well, you can see it.
Well, you know what we're going to do? We're going to start by washing the car, getting it completely ready, and then we're going to go around it with the paint thickness meter. And then we'll make a little report to see what might have been repainted, because that's important for me too, since the paint can react very differently to the polishing machine compared to the original paint.
Learn something new again, guys, every time I talk to Tom. See, detailing is a whole different skill. Painting is a different skill. Look, the only thing I can really do is put together an engine from a Ferrari. Oh, yeah, that's something I can't do. We're definitely in the right place. You heard the steps? We'll give it a good wash since it's pretty dirty.
Yes.
I can't wait, guys. When we're done, we'll have an almost new Ferrari. I'm excited, Tom.
We're going to start with the wheels. The wheels are always the dirtiest part of a car, so you want to clean them first. We're using the Purpurist dirt cleaner, which is already very well known at the Twins. And for the tires, we're using the snow foam, the orange drip. I've diluted this as indicated on the packaging. This really pulls the dirt out of the tires, which also helps the tire dressing we'll apply later to stick better. After that, we're going to foam the car, which loosens most of the dirt from the car. After that, we'll rinse it off and then we'll start washing. Normally we would use the Green Clean. This is a car shampoo with wax, but now we're going to use a splash of orange drip snow foam as shampoo. The car must be fully degreased before polishing, so let's go. The wheel cleaner has been applied. We'll let it soak in for a bit, and then with some water and a brush, we'll do the inside. And the guess. Clothes make the man, wheels make the car. That's why I'm wearing boots.
Are you going to dust that thing off completely too?
We're going to snow foam the car now. This will already get rid of the worst dirt.
Yeah, this is definitely the most satisfying part of washing, I have to say. At gas stations, whenever snow foam is available, I feel like I'm doing a great job washing my car. Without snow foam, it doesn't feel the same. You think? Not quite, but this is really good stuff. It's on there thick. Yeah.
Nice, look, you can actually see that the foam here is already turning completely brown, so you can already see that it's pulling the dirt off now. So we'll leave this on for a bit, and then we'll rinse it off, and then we can start washing.
Learn something new again? That's how it is here. You even get a quick lesson. Tom, you can leave your tent here later.
We always use 2 buckets, one with the wash mitt and shampoo, and one with clean water. We do this so that after we've wiped the dirt off the car, we rinse it out in the clean water. That way, as little contamination as possible gets into this bucket. Good splash. We're going to start at the top and then always work our way down. The bottom is the dirtiest part of the car, so we start nicely at the top. As a finishing touch, the last thing, we always take the glove we've used for the rims, and then we clean the inside edge here for a moment. There can often still be a lot of sand in there, and you don't want to bring that out right away when polishing. Clay glove. With a clay glove, it goes a lot faster than with a regular clay bar. Normally we would clay it very gently, but this one isn't so bad that we can't use a glove. Always keep in mind to prime it properly. Yeah, you can hear it already. The car is fully degreased with all wax removed and a smooth finish. Now we'll dry it before moving it into the workshop.
Alright, that Tom is currently making a report about the paint thicknesses, and just look at how thick that looks. He just has an app where he indicates like, hey, measure it, and based on that, what will come out of it later.
Yes, we're going to see if we can tell if there are parts that have been repainted, where the paint is thin, and where it might be a bit thicker. This lets us see how much we can polish, since we don't want to go through the clear coat.
Okay, I hear a report coming up.
Yes, there are some parts that are a bit thicker. We can check those thoroughly.
But Tom, this is an Italian car that was still painted by hand, by someone from the factory. Why are you laughing? Is it bad?
It does look original.
But look at that orange peel on it, just a bit. Okay, so it's pretty hard to show on camera how bad this car is. But with a lamp like this...
This is a round LED. With it we can really see the scratches. Oh yeah.
No, ooh.
We have a lot of work to do there.
This is exactly what I mean. I can't show this well on camera because the car's shine hides a lot.
But when it's outside you don't see this, maybe in the sun, but even then it's very different from here. Look, if we look here as well, it's really bizarre.
He really thinks, what kind of Ferrari did we buy, guys? How on earth does someone treat their car like this? Especially as a car detailer, you think that, right? Because your mind is just all about cleaning.
I have to say they don't see this often, this car.
Because cars in general, right?
Yeah, that's right. It doesn't have to be a Ferrari.
That's what I mean.
I've already got all the cleaning products ready here. We're going to use a high performance polishing compound. You have a compound and a polish. A compound really removes all the deeper scratches with a microfiber pad. That's one of the toughest combinations for normal polishing, but we'll still test it to see the results. What you see with coarse compounds. And because we're talking about a single stage paint here, so no metallic paint, you can see it gets a bit dull and blotchy. But as soon as we start polishing it a bit lighter, it will really bring back the shine. Single stage paint is a very difficult paint to polish. It quickly causes scratches again, so to speak. If your cloth isn't soft enough, you can already get scratches in your paint.
Is that why the paint's been neglected?
Yes, that's it.
That makes it even more so.
That makes it even more sensitive, so to speak. Now we're going to polish it nicely to see. to see what the result will be if we stick to these steps.
Like new? Oh no.
No, not yet. I think we're on the right track this way. I think he should even go for a 3-step because I still see some dull spots in it, so it needs to be a bit lighter. We'll do that in the next round.
And then he'll be as good as new again. Guys, it's a new day here, and yeah, I just walked in. And what a change, guys. It's unbelievable. It's incredible what Tom is doing here. He's already done so much work in just one day. The car has been completely sanded. Well, not sanded, but polished with a coarse polishing compound, and he has almost the entire car done. Just a few panels left to go. What a job this is, guys. Detailing is not for me. It's really a special skill. Look at him go, guys. Just small movements. But the car, yeah, it's actually doing pretty well. There are some spots where we're like, how is that possible? But hopefully Tom will be able to get those out. This side is really nicely polished, though it still needs to be finely polished and then either waxed or coated. We don't know that yet, but we're heading in the right direction. And besides that, he's also going to work on the interior a bit, as I understood, so check out the footage. Yeah, I've really been busy with the sticky buttons. My glove even tore because of it. That's just great. That's just great. Notice it's not sticky. I'm not sure how I'll handle that yet, but at least I finished this one. See how much nicer that one looks than the other? And the stop button?
You don't even want to touch those flippers?
No, unbelievable, man. It's just sticky. We're definitely gonna do that. And also take a look around the ignition switch to see what it looks like. Man, that's just real Fiat quality among Ferraris. My day is done here for today. I've worked really hard, I'm high, I have a headache, and I feel lightheaded. So guys, be aware that when you do those sticky buttons, it's super satisfying. A lot of work and basically just putting on a mask because yeah, you're basically inhaling alcohol. I'm really curious about the end result, and I think you are too, so just stay seated. For you, it's probably right now, but we still have a few days to wait. We're really curious about the outcome. He's in good hands, and I'm glad. The gem will only get more beautiful. Beautiful black should stay beautiful, right?
Yes, what is black should stay black.
Exactly, so
But I think I'll be busy for another 1.5 to 2 days.
but I do know that the end result is going to be super awesome, so as you can see, the Ferrari is covered up. We haven't seen it yet, so it's had a major treatment here with a glass coating. As you know, this was the most neglected Ferrari in the Netherlands. And now it has become the biggest showpiece in the Netherlands thanks to the help of your detail company. I'm curious about the results. We're going to take the cover off in a moment and we'll take you along with us. But Tom, come on, tell us honestly, how much work was this?
Yeah, I spent over 3 days on it, really worked extremely hard, so long, intensive days, but the result is definitely worth it.
Yeah, because we saw this thing, of course. With sunlight on it, it looked pretty decent, but with artificial light,
Yeah, it really wasn't doable.
it seemed impossible, right? It was enough to make you cry, but it's nice you did it this way.
You, right? He was in the trunk, so I figured I'd just toss him on there.
Yes, that's actually how he's supposed to be put away, and that's how we're going to put him away again later. So,
Yes, then he'll stay the neatest.
whoa, wow, that's so sick. Wow, do you remember how dull this was? Unbelievable. Wow, it's just deep black again. I've really never seen it like this before.
That gas cap, I have one more thing, that gas cap.
Yeah, I'm really curious about that too. Yeah, whoa. That's really a transformation too.
Here comes the before and after.
It's just not normal.
When I did that first step, it was still a bit dull, of course, because I had to polish so roughly. Now after that second step, it's just completely shiny again.
Some spots were really bad. What was the worst spot on the car?
Yeah, definitely that left door.
Yeah,
And the hood.
those are big surfaces, right? And look at that headlight. It looks like a regular headlight, not dull. Yeah, they've become a bit nicer, just a little, but listen, haha, it looks so much better because of those headlights. Yeah, unbelievable, man. This is just really beautiful. Can I touch my car or not? Haha. Oh, I haven't even seen this yet. Wow, did you treat the leather too, Tom?
Yes. There's a conditioner in it as well, so it feels a bit more supple again.
Oh,
And the sticky buttons are gone, right?
sick, man. He even did those grills and everything. It's a completely different car, guys. Wow. Feel this for a second too, bro, because I did this myself, but just feel how nice this turned out. Just feel it. Oh, this is so soft. Normally there's like a rubber coating over it, and that rubber coating gets sticky. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah, it's going straight to the showroom now and probably won't ever be driven again. That's how a car like this should actually be treated, and not left outside in all weather conditions. The nice thing now is, if you just wash it normally, it gets clean easily too. In the beginning, it just wouldn't even get clean when you washed it. And Tom is still not satisfied. Look, attention to detail, just attention to detail. Fortunately, the nice weather is returning. Just look outside, the sun is shining and summer is on its way. I see you have some products ready for us?
Yes. I'm going to give you a nice package that you can also use for other projects you'll be working on, because I expect there will be more projects coming. A good rim cleaner, and I also have a 5-liter canister for you. You were very satisfied with the snow foam when we cleaned the Ferrari, so a good snow foam, a good all-purpose cleaner for the interior, and a car shampoo with wax. This can also be used on the glass coating and is good for maintaining the glass coating. For the first 2 weeks, you shouldn't wash your car with chemicals,
Okay.
because the coating still needs to cure, and after that you can wash it with the shampoo. In the meantime, you can just rinse it with osmosis water. Should we throw in a nice discount code?
Yes, especially if we can do that for the viewers. Fantastic. Guys, watch the bottom of the screen. Here it comes.
If you go to the web shop and enter the code TWINS at checkout, you'll get a 15% discount on your entire order. So if you buy this package for around 75 euros now with Twins, you can get an extra 15% discount plus free shipping, so that's a pretty good deal. And if you scan this QR code now, you'll go straight to the website.
Just take advantage of it, click the link in the description and place your own order. And with all that said, we're going to wrap up the episode. Tom, you've done phenomenal work, really professional work. For the few days you had from us, you really delivered top quality. So don't forget to follow your detail company on Instagram. Of course, all the details of his company are in the description below, so if you need anything.
If you want to know more about the services we offer, that's also on the web shop. Just go to the homepage, then you can scroll to service, and there you'll find all the packages we offer. So also regarding polishing, glass coating, and you name it.
I think it's all clear, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up. Yeah, man, I'm really happy.